Welcome back to another series of Spilling the Tea with the Henna Guys. I'm Henna.
I'm Hillary.
I'm Michaela.
So we're doing another reaction video, as you know what we're normally doing here. But I do want to switch up a little bit, just by instead of just doing reaction videos, maybe we should do just maybe some educational.
Yeah.
And for our next video or something, that'd be really interesting.
Yeah.
To do. All right. So today we are doing a reaction on.
Her username here on YouTube is Miss Romie's Vibes.
So do check our original link, which will be down below. All right, so let's start.
Show in this video how to mix henna, because there's already a video in my channel about how to mix henna. Today I'm just going to show you how I apply it and the before and after. Stay until the end. I'll see you. Bye.
Trying to find nature in an unnatural world. My name is Romie and these are my vibes.
I like how she said unnatural world.
As you can see, my white hair is already showing. I can see my red henna from the previous time, because what I'm trying to do is now color my hair more red. So I'm adding less indigo now. So now we are going to go to my client's house and I'm going to color my client's hair. See you later.
Oop, spilled a little bit.
Is she using a metal whisk?
Yeah. Interesting, okay.
I mean, she wants to mix the indigo, so the process is perfectly fine, because if her henna, she let it sit overnight.
Yep. Oh, okay, an egg. Yep, that, I mean, that's not uncommon.
I want to eat it. It looks like brownie batter.
I would not recommend.
And this is how it looks. That's her hair in the direct
Putting it
sunlight.
on a different person.
Okay, I definitely see a lot of the white hairs
White
there on
spots,
top.
Yep.
No, I do really like that color though.
Yeah. Oh.
I like the music she uses.
Okay, yep, so she does have a fair amount of grays to cover. Just brushing it out, okay. Okay, so she's also starting at the crown. Okay.
Oh, she's doing the cool like beehive looking.
Yeah.
But I mean, whatever works.
Just applying with the henna over there and just stays put.
Yeah, it really does. Like you can.
I mean, yeah, you know, it does help to have someone apply the henna.
It does.
Yeah.
Versus doing it yourself, you know.
Speaking
like the way she's doing it, there's no way I can do that to myself.
Yeah, no, I was just thinking about that. I'm like, I wonder if I could try to manage that. But no, I could not.
Like the way I can apply to your hair.
Yeah,
It's just different the way I apply it to my hair.
Right, yeah. Okay.
Oh, saran wrap.
Yep. That's very well secured there. That's not gonna.
And remember at the beginning of my video, I told you
Oh, she did too.
that my client was a very special client? Well, that was my sister. And she will be the only one that I will go to her house under this condition and give her a hair color. She has never done henna, so this is her first time.
Oh boy.
Coloring her hair the natural way. And I had some henna left over, and it was enough just to cover my front roots.
Ooh, and they're making food.
See? Putting it on and just doing just your regular
Yeah.
chores.
But that avocado though. That avocado, I want it. Okay. Ooh.
Yep.
Yep.
Yep, the ends because they were lighter. Yes.
I mean, it did.
It did. It gave that. I mean, the process is repairing the hair first and then depositing more color. As if she wants to keep on coloring her hair, she can even just do that roots right there.
Look how shiny. Oh, I just want to play with it.
She didn't add any apple cider vinegar, did she?
No, she didn't. But still, look how beautiful and shiny her hair looks.
So you can even tell like where the black was. The black too, it kind of gave that red tint in the sunlight.
Yeah, it did.
This is not. This is her natural color. But this is color chemical hair. All of this is color with henna and indigo. This part is darker because I put more indigo. I color it black.
Okay.
Mine is all 100% natural color. Híjole, mamá.
So she did put
And I
less
want you to
indigo, so that's why you see
because
more red
I
in there
had
too.
Henna left over. I just color the roots that you can see, and that will give me more time before I color it again. So my sister has some henna left over, and I color my roots, the front roots.
So because she did put less indigo, that's why it's more red.
Yep.
And she even mentioned that she put less indigo.
Yeah.
It took us a few takes for my video to be completed, but it was finished. And now I'm in my house, and I just wanted to thank you for stopping by. And if you have already subscribed to my channel, thank you. If you have not done so, please subscribe. And if you like it, please give me a like. And I will see you on my next one. Thank you.
She was just so adorable. Like,
Yeah.
I just so enjoyed this video.
Yeah, I did too. That was so funny. Her mom kept on interrupting. That was cute. Yeah. You know, like I said, because if her hair, like you could see, like where she was showing, like where she had darker, which when she colored it, she used more indigo.
Right.
But now she even mentioned in her video that she used less indigo, and I guess it was more mainly for her sister.
Yeah.
Just for her to see how it goes, because she had chemical treated hair, and so she probably didn't want like too dark.
Right.
She's probably
Yeah.
like, I just want to try and see how it goes. But I'm interested how her sister liked it or not.
Yeah, I know.
Right.
That's
I wanna
definitely
know.
something we're gonna need to try to check her out on see if she's on like Instagram or anything and see if we
Yeah,
can.
I definitely want to know if her sister liked it. I mean, I'm pretty sure because just how her hair probably felt.
Yeah.
She probably just liked that, even if the color. I mean, I liked her color, but
Yeah, and I think the more she applies it, it's gonna blend a little bit better. But I mean, this was her first application, and I know she said that the ends of her hair were chemically dyed. So, yeah, I know, but I'm definitely curious if she's like still using it or.
yeah. So she regularly uses it.
Yeah.
That's for sure. So for her sister, since this was February, she posted this video. So now it's June, so it's a couple of months. So it'll be curious and to know. Definitely want to see if she has posted any more videos.
Oh yeah,
Especially showing her sister. That'll be interesting. I really want to see it. So this was a little bit different.
It was
Than we
definitely.
normally just applying on someone else. This was nice.
Yeah. I mean,
nice.
the only similar video that we have done is where it was with Brad Mondo and using the Miss Mannequin, but that was.
I just loved her application process.
Yeah, that
like the whole process. I mean, starting in the middle, but then just like making the bun and just kept on making.
Yeah, but I mean, it makes sense.
The technique was really, really good.
And it looks like just judging from how she was applying it, it looked like all of the strands that there was even coating on all of them to make sure that the henna was going to be able to.
Well, and the
fully
consistency. The consistency was perfect.
Yes.
Like. There were no clumps at all. Like, you know, she did use a metal whisk and a metal spoon. Like, I think her preparation of it was perfect.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, preparation was perfect. Yeah, the egg part. I don't know. I would just avoid it for just with the whole process because you just want as much color to be deposited. That's the only thing, but. Other than that, it was just perfect. I just loved it. It's really a good video to watch. It was.
Yeah, very enjoyable. Her music style in there too. Just the.
And I really like her personality. She seems so sweet. Like,
yeah, definitely. Yeah, I like her introduction was really cute. I liked it. Well, this was a little different than normally what we do. I enjoyed this, and as you know, we all did. Thank you for watching. Again, if you have a video you'd like for us to react to, please leave it down in the comments below or email it to us. If you have anyone else's that you'd like for us to react to, please leave it down in the comment section or email us as well. If you have any questions, please comment or email us at sales@TheHennaGuys.com. Thank you for joining. We hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye.